Yep, this is old boy Curtis Cowboy here, getting to you off-grid bid. Here's my setup. The old Jeepster getting bad. Built me a front bumper for it. Put that badass winch on there. Top of that, I did all that up here. 6,600 feet. Check it out. Just wanted you guys to see something here. This little creek right here is usually a good little trout stream. And it's like not very big, but you can see what it is now. There's a lot of runoff in here. Look at this stuff. That's never been poured through here like that. This is a little clear spot. You can see right to the bottom of the water usually. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Anyway, there's my bathtub. Just finished up doing a little bit of eating here, grub. See, I ain't got on my dirty dishes here. Get ready to wash dishes, whatever. Yep. Quite the experience, folks. Microwave, toaster oven, toaster, hot plate. Yeah, I got me a little generator. Nice little generator. Little champion generator. You can see it here. There it is. Little 4,500 watt. Just right. Does the job. Well, that's a bad winch. Anyway, peace out. This is your old boy Cowboy Curtis here. And I'm loving it. Every minute of it. Talk to you later. Bye.